So I got my hands on the best inserts ever. Hey there girlies, it's your girl Chresia. Welcome back to my YouTube channel. It's been a while since I made my last video. I'm so sorry for being me on YouTube, but I actually am more active on Instagram. I'm gonna drop my links down below, so let's stay connected together. So for today's video, I'm gonna do a little unboxing and make a review of the brand called BOOMBA. So I have right here with me the product. So if you guys don't know or not familiar with BOOMBA yet, so they're actually a brand that offers like innerwear for women. They offer products like bras, tapes, nipple covers, and etc. So right here in my hand, I have my invisible lift inserts. This is what I got, like the invisible inserts, and they actually offer various products like this. So they also have like demi boost inserts and then ultra boost inserts. And basically why I chose invisible lift inserts is because I'm not really that kind of girl who really wants to have such big bust, so I'm not really like into showing off too much. So anyway, let's go and let's unbox it. It's really cute. Look at that. The color is pink. It's so cute. I love it. It's very aesthetic. And look at that. So it comes with a thank you message and as well as some how to use your BOOMBA inserts. Look at that. So pretty. It says BOOMBA. And here is my invisible lift inserts. Oh god, they literally have a very pretty box. This is so good. Look at that. It's so nice. So this invisible lift inserts is lightly padded. Look at that. And they will instantly give you that lift that you want without adding too much padding. And also this is a double-sided adhesive. You can see that. This claims to be sweat-proof, water resistant, reusable up to 40 times. It's the moment of truth. Let's try it on. I'm just gonna try it on with this top first. So let's lift it off. Oh, wow. It looks literally so sticky. Wow. Okay, let me show you guys how sticky it is. Like, look at that. It's so sticky. It's really sticky. This is so nice. Okay, let me try this on. I already have it on and this is how it looks like now. Using the inserts, you can literally see a difference right now.
So this is the before and after photo, so you would clearly see the difference.
Okay, so I want to try it on a different shirt because this is actually a little bit loose. So I want to try it on to a fitted one. So let's go. Try it on to a more fitted top. And this is the before. And this is the after. Look at that. So you can literally see a difference with that, right?
And this is how the before and after looks like. This is a snatch girl. You go get it.
I really wanted to try it on this top because I absolutely love this. And this is the before, so I just put on a little pad so it has BOOMBA on. And look at that.
Just look at how my bust instantly lifts up. It's really good.
After several tries of wearing different tops with this BOOMBA, and I would literally say that it's absolutely gorgeous on you. Like if you're looking for that instant lift, get this. If you just really want to look confident with your bust, get this. So if you guys are really planning on getting this one, so make sure to use my code, here it is, so you can get 10% off, and I'm also putting it down at the description box below. So yeah, I guess this is it for today's video. I promise to be very active on YouTube starting now, so you'll see me guys often. See you. Bye.